Local market insights are really important, so I'm delighted to share this latest rental housing market update for Falmouth, brought to you by Lang Llewellyn & Co. Whether you're a landlord or a renter, Lang Llewellyn are experts in this area, so don't hesitate to get in touch. Visit their website, llcoproperty.com, email hello@llcoproperty.com or call 01326 331 812.
Hi there, and welcome to Lang Llewellyn's latest lettings market update as we head into spring. So, what's happening in Falmouth's rental scene right now? Well, after a slower than usual winter, things are picking up pace once again. Falmouth is firmly holding its place as one of Cornwall's rental hotspots. And if you're a landlord, the latest figures are looking pretty encouraging. Over the past 12 months, the average rent achieved for a property in Falmouth hit £1,562 a month. That's a whopping 16% jump in just 12 months. Flats made up about a third of all rentals, averaging just over £1,300 per month, while houses were going for nearly £1,715. And if you compare things month by month, you'll really see the story. So last April, rents here were already above the southwest average, £1,156 a month versus £1,081. But by Christmas, Falmouth rents have soared to £1,537, while the regional average crept up only slightly to £1,122. Fast forward to March this year and the gap's even wider. Falmouth's average rent stood at £1,565, while across the southwest it was still just £1,140. Why the demand? It's pretty simple. More people are registering to rent, particularly families looking for 2 or 3 bedroom homes. And with well-priced, well-presented properties in short supply, it's definitely a landlord's market right now. Looking ahead to the rest of 2025, the pace might ease slightly compared to recent years. But a quiet summer? Unlikely. In fact, more changes are on the way. We're already seeing some landlords step away from the market in anticipation of the Renters' Rights Bill, which is set to bring added costs and a bit more complexity to the letting process. On top of that, future legislation will likely require landlords to bring properties up to a minimum EPC rating of C. So now is the time to get ahead of the game with energy efficiency upgrades. We're seeing many more landlords take a professional approach to managing their properties, something we're absolutely here to help with. With regulations changing fast, having a trusted letting agent in your corner really makes a difference. One interesting trend that we're noticing is a rise in what we call professional relocators, people moving to Cornwall for remote or hybrid jobs who are looking for longer-term rentals. And younger renters, especially in their mid-20s, are also starting to explore the surrounding areas as central Falmouth becomes pricier. Whether you're a tenant or a landlord, one thing is key right now: preparation. Renters, get your documents and references in order early. Landlords, get advice before there's a problem, not after. And a bit of forward thinking goes a long way, especially with everything changing so quickly. And if you're thinking about getting into property investment, it could be the perfect time. There's less competition from other buyers, and some homes coming onto the market already have strong letting histories and great returns, particularly those in areas popular with students or commuters. And finally, a quick bit of local buzz. There's some big improvements happening in Penryn, St Austell and Camborne. They're all seeing infrastructure upgrades. Falmouth's Quay is expanding and Truro's town centre is getting a fresh lease of life. All of this is helping to drive interest in living around Falmouth, and that's great news for landlords and tenants alike. Here at Lang Llewellyn, we're sharpening our services and upgrading our tech to make life easier for everyone, whether you're letting, renting, or just exploring your next step. With spring sunshine already bringing more people into the market, it's shaping up to be a busy season ahead. That's all from us. We're always here to help you, so if you have any questions or queries, then please do get in touch with one of our lovely team and we'll be on hand to assist you. Until next time, bye-bye for now.
Visit the sales office of Lang Llewellyn & Co. You can email them at hello@llcoproperty.com or call them on 01326 212140 or you could even visit their website, llcoproperty.com.